what's up?
What's good?
So, what's up today on Tabun Fitness? What do you propose us?
Today we'll propose like we're gonna make tea.
Yeah?
The Moroccan tea.
The Moroccan tea. What
Yeah,
is so
Moroccan
special about Moroccan
The
tea?
Moroccan tea has so many specialties, really, to be honest. It has the taste, it has the color, it's peace of mind.
But it's super easy to make a Moroccan tea, no?
It is super easy, but yet you have to remember this. If you didn't make it the way you should make it, it wouldn't be as good as it.
So you're gonna give us your secrets?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So Munir, we're back. So for Moroccan tea, what do we need?
Welcome back all to Bon Fitness, guys. Today we only need water, we need mint, we need tea, and absolutely sugar.
That's all.
That's all we need.
Okay.
So the first step is you have to take some water.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. That's still enough. And from here you have to be close to me, like show the Bon girls how to make good tea.
Okay.
There you go. I think it's needs a little bit more.
Okay. What kind of tea do you use?
Not for sponsorship, but I don't want to use its name, but it's alright. This is a good tea.
Alors.
Means al-khara. From here, we're gonna put the tea on the water.
Okay.
From here, we're gonna put it on some nice fire. We're gonna let it till it get bold. Okay, and we're gonna let it for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll move on to the next step. So stay tuned.
Okay, so Munir, we're back for the Moroccan tea. So
Back with the Moroccan tea.
after 5-10 minutes.
5-10 minutes, and now it's almost there. It should get boiled. Okay, you should see bubbles. Let the bubbles pop in for like 2 minutes, and then you can take it off from the fire.
Okay, perfect.
This is how you should know that the tea is ready. You're gonna take it.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. Okay. From here, you want to see the color. It shouldn't be too light, and it shouldn't be too dark. Now this is the color you want to see it for. See it?
Is it dark enough?
No, it's so perfect now. You see it?
Okay.
This is how it's supposed to be.
So now
After we have washed
the
man,
skin.
yeah, we're gonna put it in here.
And you need a spoon.
And then a spoon, please. And from here, we're gonna add.
How much?
It's actually dependent on where you put the tea. If it's big, you have to put like 4 spoons.
Ooh.
For this one, it's 2. It's actually dependent on the person too. If you are not a sugar person, don't put too much.
Are you a sugar person?
I am a sugar person. All Moroccans are sugar persons. Okay.
Are you a sugar baby?
We'll talk about that later.
Okay. What's the next step?
Now you're gonna leave it for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
So everything gonna mix together. Everything's gonna give it here's
Flavor to mix.
exactly. And from here, we'll show you how to mix it all together.
Okay.
This is the final step. Okay, you are going to mix it for a couple of times, twice or maybe 3 times. It actually depends on you. So here's the first.
It's dark.
It's dark. It should be dark.
It's black.
Once it go black, you'll never come back.
Yeah, buddy.
And from here, this is a very Moroccan.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna put. This is for the taste.
And
Could you taste it?
yeah, and what about if I don't like it?
You will. Trust me, you will.
Oh my god.
How is it?
Oh, it's real Moroccan tea.
It is.
Okay, thank you, Munir.
Okay, to sum up everything, you'll need water, tea, mint, and sugar. Okay? Put water first, and then tea. Let everything boil all together for a couple of minutes. And after that, you will use mint and sugar. Okay? And from here, you're gonna mix it all together. And this is the final result. Toast to everyone. Okay, this is the serving tea. Enjoy.
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 Yeah, Jonas. Enjoy and Jonas.
Enjoy and Jonas.